Our camera setup in Mi 11 includes our custom 108 megapixel sensor. This sensor is huge, significantly larger than those found in competitor phones. This means two things: big detail and lots of light. Combining that with our custom OIS module to reduce shake and blur and our 1.6 micron super pixel, this is one of the world's very best smartphone cameras. 108 megapixels gives you the maximum amount of detail, like here, in each drop of water on her forehead, or here, in details like the houses in this small mountain village. I really love this photo. Beyond that, we've included an ultra-wide, which has become a necessity over recent years. Ultra-wide angle is perfect for looking up. Like here, amongst these wonderful trees. It really gives you a breathtaking perspective. Finally, we have telemacro. Now, for those of you who don't know, what the telemacro does is use an extremely long focal length to help determine proper depth and focus, and use it to zoom into shots like a microscope. Our telemacro lens captures beautiful macro photos, like this small blueberry in this glass of tea here. At the same distance, competitor phones will miss out on a huge amount of detail. Now, thanks to telemacro, Mi 11 captures them all. This added range gives you a much deeper ability to capture small stories. Movie magic versus other flagship devices. Mi 11 exceeds and outperforms in every category versus the iPhone 12 Pro. One huge advantage of Mi 11 is faster processing of your 108 megapixel photos. In fact, this is 30% faster than in previous generations. Our night mode improvements are not limited to ultra night video. We have also taken our photo night mode to a whole new level. Competitor and previous generation smartphones are limited to night mode on a single primary camera. Mi 11 will still offer night mode on our primary camera, but we will extend it to ultra-wide and the selfie cameras as well. This means 3 different cameras to shoot night mode, enabling you to capture the nighttime angle you need. With one of the world's best 108 megapixel camera, 8K, and some of our most advanced software experiences ever, Mi 11 has taken videography and photography to a whole new level.